Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer breaded cauliflower. Let's begin. The first thing we'll need is half cup of all-purpose flour. There we go, it's half a cup. We'll need 2 eggs. 1, 2. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put that to the side. We'll need some Progresso breadcrumbs, garlic and herb. We need around half a cup. There you go, that's half a cup. Half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. There you go, that's half a cup. We're going to add in half tablespoon of smoked paprika. Half tablespoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of oregano. Half tablespoon of garlic salt. And lastly, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Take everything and mix it all together. Make sure everything is nicely mixed together. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. We're going to put that to the side. We have here 1 cauliflower all cut up. It's around 5 cups of cauliflower. First thing what we're going to do is dip it into the flour. Dip it into the egg. And dip it into the seasoned breadcrumbs. There you go, that's 1. Let's finish up the rest real quick. Okay, we have all the cauliflower breaded, and let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it at 350 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is preheated. Let's put in the cauliflower. There we go, we have all the cauliflower in the basket. And let's start cooking. We're going for 350 degrees for a total time of 14 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. It's nice and crispy already. Smells good. We flipped them all over. Let's put it in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Let's take them out. Nice and crispy. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer breaded cauliflower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.